Angel finished her speaker install, and our 3D printer broke, so we're going to use that prototype number 1 on the other side, and we're wait for some parts. Maybe I'll print another one.
Don't let them guide your life towards regret. I'll fight for what I love with every breath. My past is filled with things I won't forget. I use them all to push me to my best. So treat the worst of times just like a test. If only I could go back in time, I'd tell myself that everything will end up alright. Just push yourself, test yourself, figure out what you like, and find your limits, don't be rigid, always work towards a prime. Surround yourself with open minds, people can change your life. A few friends with intent can help you feel alive. Find a passion, take some action, and with a little time, just be patient, make a statement, try to enjoy your life. They'll try to kick you while you're down. They wanna rise up while you drown. They wanna fill your head with doubt. They're silently scared that you'll figure it out. I'll make it look like I'm losing, won't bother hiding my bruises. And when they finally think you're wounded, then it's your chance to be ruthless. Make some progress, I can see that they compare. I think everyone's against me, maybe something in the air. Am I paranoid? I swear a void is forming and they're scared. I walk a straight path, not many can say that. I like to play fast, cross me and there's payback. You better pray that I don't see your face at any place that I go. I know you hate that. I've been doing fine, I'm not wasting any more time. I live for the fight and the climb, and I think that the pain that's deep inside is what defines. So I won't give up, I'm gonna make it to the top. I don't care what's in my way, I swear I'm never gonna stop. I could fall flat on my face and I swear I won't get back up, cause I don't deserve a thing and the road ahead is tough. They'll try to kick you while you're down. They wanna rise up while you drown. They wanna fill your head with doubt. They're silently scared that you'll figure it out. I'll make it look like I'm losing, won't bother hiding my bruises. And when they finally think you're wounded, then it's your chance to be ruthless.
Step 1, wake up early, gonna rise with the sun. Step 2, get some good, some food in you. Step 3, think real hard about what you wanna be. Step 4, everybody just do your thing.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Set your affirmations, aspirations. I got shit to do, the aftermath of preparation. Good food, good mood, blood in circulation. One step at a time, yeah, that's how you make it. Set a goal you control and the steps you take them. I try to pick one thought, have some concentration. And if I make a mistake, it's called education. I try to do this every day, call it replication. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 So life ain't easy, yo, I think there's a reason though. Ups and downs, just like every different season, yo. Sometimes I'm high, other times I'm barely breathing, though. I always gotta fight and hide from the demons, yo. Negative thoughts are poison, they rot. Head full of flies, so here come the clouds. They'll never stop unless I can swap all the bad for the good in my head when I'm lost. Yeah, so I'ma fake it till I make it. Positive thoughts are overtaken, I got patience. One day at a time is how you operate a cadence. A flow, you grow, you show yourself a foundation. Stay away from all the shit that causes temptation. I know that I like to do it cause of sensation. I live my life in my head like a narration.
It looks pretty stinking good. Sounds good too, realistically. I didn't think it was going to sound that good. It actually sounds really, really good. It's kind of really hidden back there. You can't even hardly see it from behind. So we got a little cheap Pioneer down there. It's pretty good. And I'm gonna run some wires for some new toys. I don't know if these are any good. I've never used them before, but I figure we stuff them under the seats and we'll see how they do. 7 tool. Says it's got a cool LED light in it. I watched some reviews and an install video. It looks pretty easy. I used to install stereo, so no big deal. And should be pretty good if they fit under the seats. We'll see. I think I'm rich, guys. I found whatever the heck this is. Ooh. 10 somethings. Whatever. I do not know what that is. Who knows what it is? 10 somethings. Pretty cool. Whatever. And before I start running wires and fuses, let's see how this thing fits. Pulled the seat out real quick. We kind of want it in the front, so I think the wires for the seat are back here. Probably bolt it in one of these extra holes, or maybe even ground it to one of these seat bolts. Figure out how we want to. I think it'll fit between the rails, maybe just barely, and try to bolt that down, keep it in place. So let's see how we want it. Well, the seats are out. I ran the wires underneath all the way up in there. I just laid the dash back on there for now, so it's out of my way. I pulled the seats out. I'm about to run this one all the way over there, and I have a special tool. Oh yeah, let's see this first. This is different than my other Jimny. I would assume Samurais are more like my other Jimny. They don't really have anything to hold that cup holder thing in place. This one does, so it actually screws in the way it's supposed to, and actually came that way, which is really interesting. But I've had a ton of jobs over my life, doing different things, and some of them were car, some of them were not. And right now, currently, I'm a network engineer. So I have some weird tools, and I have a fish rod. I'm gonna use to go underneath that carpet. It's such a cool thing. These ones are actually glow in the dark. I got them on sale at Lowe's for like 10 bucks. But yeah, there's one with a hook. I'm not gonna use that one for this application because it'll just be easier not to, but they're really cool for, you can just put them together and pull crap through ceilings and wires and whatever. I don't do that, but I have them anyway, so I'm gonna use it and pull this through. I'll show you guys. It's just cake. You guys use probably back in the day I would have used a coat hanger or whatever I had, but I just happen to have these. I've had them for, I don't know, 15 years, and I've probably used them twice. Power wires in. I didn't cut those holes. They were already there from the factory, would be my guess, for left side and right hand car, or left hand cars, right hand cars, right? So now I just run my RCAs somehow, probably fish tape again, but I don't know that there's a hole. I may have to pop these boots off, which I didn't really want to do. Get a couple RCAs up there and run them back, and then we can start hooking some stuff up. Never pass up a free Harbor Freight flashlight. We got 2 of them in there. Can you spot them? They're like, where's Waldo?
Thank you for watching our video. Make sure to like and subscribe. Have a good day.